Business hunters, I want to review this particular machine that you're seeing in this video. This is a mini Egusi grinder, and it is also called a coffee grinder. This powerful machine this small machine that you're seeing here, it's actually a very powerful machine. If you know, we've been talking about a lot of machines on this channel. We've been reviewing a lot of kitchen tools like the blenders and grinders all this while. And we have been talking about silver crest, we have been talking about Kenwood, we have been talking about a whole lot of machines, kitchen machines all this while. So this time around, I decided to bring in this mini grinder to come and review before my audience. Um, Unlike silver crest, this machine is basically meant for dry food stuff like egusi, like dry pepper, like crayfish, all manner of dry food stuff. But the constraint is that it doesn't grind wet food stuff, which is not bad. If you already have other blenders that you use, you can actually dedicate this one to dry food stuff in your kitchen. Myself, I have one of it in my kitchen right now, and I use it basically for grinding pepper, dry pepper, egusi, and crayfish. That's what I use it for grinding, and it is a very good machine. As you can see this machine here, it can blend egusi. To the best of my knowledge, is it can blend egusi smoothly that you can use it for cooking. And this is what I've been using ever since I bought it. I no longer go out to buy grinded egusi or any grinded food stuff. What I do is to buy, if I want to grind egusi, I just go there and buy egusi, I bring it home and I blend it. If I want to blend pepper, I buy it, I blend. If I want to blend ogbono, I bought it, I buy it and I blend it myself. So this machine is very, very important to every kitchen. So I have the video here that I'm going to show you how it works. I want to show you a practical function on how you can use this machine to blend your foodstuff in at home. So if you are somebody who has been admiring something like silver crest blender and you do not have the means to acquire silver crest blender, is between cost between 28 to 35,000 naira, and it is not everyone that can afford it. A lot of people love it and a lot of people have been longing for it, but because of the price, not everyone can afford it. But with this little machine that you're seeing here, if you have another small machine that you are using for grinding your tomatoes and fresh pepper, you can actually buy this one also. This one is not expensive. It is between like 7,000 to 10,000 naira. If you have it in your kitchen and you have another small grinder or blender for your tomatoes and peppers, you can actually combine these two. Whenever you want to grind dry food stuff, you can use this small one to grind it. Whenever you want to blend anything that is wet, you can now use the other blender to. It is cost effective and you will not spend that much on it. Unlike silver crest that is big, it can blend both wet and dry food stuff. But I am just showing you how you can an economical way to have these two blenders in your home and be using them successfully. So I want to take you to the videos to see how it functions. Let me quickly launch the video and I will show you how this thing actually works. Okay, this is the video. Let me play it for you to see it. This is soya beans that is being blended. This is peanut that is being blended smoothly. as you can see it. And this is a black sesame seed that is being blended, as you can see. So this machine is good. This blender is powerful. If as you can see, it's blending soya beans. But soya beans is hard. If this machine could blend soya beans, it shows you how powerful this machine is. So if you cannot afford Silvercrest, I advise you to go for this and buy another small blender for your tomatoes and fresh pepper, and you'll be able to afford something for yourself in your kitchen if you are unable to afford Silvercrest. But if you have the means to acquire Silvercrest, I advise you to buy Silvercrest as well, because it's a bigger machine that can combine two. You can use it to blend something that is wet. You can also use it to blend something that food stuff that is dry. So you can actually combine the two. But I just decided to bring this one as a kind of substitute to Silvercrest if you're unable to acquire Silvercrest. That is the reason why I am reviewing this particular grinder. I have it right here in my kitchen, and that's what I've been using for blending egusi, ogbono, crayfish, and all my and dry pepper. So you can go for it and give it a try. So this is what I just bring to my audience in this video. Thank you for watching this video, and I see you again in my next video when I will be bringing you another important product. Thank you and God bless you.